Welcome to the November 19th, 2018 video version of the Cryptopicks report. Let's get to the charts as usual. First up is Bitcoin, which is getting hammered today, down 11%, down about 23% over the past 7 sessions, breaking down below the 6,000 level on a big pickup in volume here. And this week's selling confirms last week's breakdown, which was of a monster support level, the 6,000 level that's basically held through most of 2018. While Bitcoin is a bit too extended here in the short term to initiate short positions, from here on out, any bounce into a 20-day moving average would probably be shortable. We'll discuss another potential short entry when we jump to the weekly chart, which we'll do right now. Here we have the big breakdown below 6,000. And I think potentially any bounce down the road into this downtrend line here is also going to be shortable, or any bounce into this declining 10-week MA. So the breakdown in Bitcoin, basically, it's in full downtrend mode again. The 10 weeks below the 40-week MA both have been declining for the past few months, and now the price action has followed, and there's just nothing to be done on the long side right now. Short-term, intermediate, or long. For very skilled day traders, they might be able to take advantage of short-term bounces, but Bitcoin is nowhere to park your money on the long side right now. So of the 30 or so cryptocurrencies we follow, maybe 3 or 4 now are bucking the trend of the cryptocurrency market by holding up above a 50-day moving average or not making newer lows. But the overwhelming majority and Bitcoin are now in a clear downtrend. As we mentioned earlier, short entries will be possible, but most cryptos have taken a beating over the past week or two. For example, these are the weekly charts of Neo, down a significant amount. Litecoin, breaking down here. And getting back to Bitcoin, so there was a lot of talk this year about 6,000 being a floor in Bitcoin. Well, that's broken, and right now is not the time to think about getting a deal on Bitcoin because the price action can dip significantly lower before reversing. So the message here is to stay away from Bitcoin on the long side. Now there is always the possibility, because anything can happen in trading, where Bitcoin is able to stage some sort of reversal. But from this point, it's very low odds of that happening. But if it were to happen, we'd see some sort of bounce within the next few weeks to recapture the 10-week moving average and for the price action to hold above the average. So unless that happens, there's just no reason to be thinking about the long side right now. All right, that's a wrap for this week's video. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again next week.